going to taste it later， 一会儿再吃 ，because I'm really full， 吃饱了。Let's continue。
台湾美食课的酱。
所有都是2块钱一串，荤的素的都一样价。
这是几串了？1、2、3、4、5串，我们要几串啊？
你自己选吧。特价
，very famous， 串串。It's made of all kinds of stuff, eggs, tofu, and 这什么猪皮 pork skin 猪皮。What's this? I don't know what is this. Some kind of meat, 肉。I'm going to try this one. Wow. It's very hot. 好辣呀 ！Hot 辣。I'm going to try this 猪皮。Pork skin， 猪皮，很 Q 弹 ，and 辣 hot. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe below. Thanks again. 感谢观看。